Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I have got for you a review of this Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer review. Okay, you all can see the shade and everything right now on the screen. Alright, now I have got only one shade. I have not ordered all the 6 shade which they have on their website which they are offering, but I have just got one shade because this one shade was perfect for me. So for me it was little bit useless to order all the 6 shades. Alright, I'll just tell you briefly about this concealer. This concealer is from Sugar Cosmetics. Okay, it is of MRP of this concealer is 799 rupees, but definitely you all can find this concealer on some discounts and all. The shade which I ordered is, you can see, it is a 45. You can see once again, it will focus. Yeah, 45 Con Panna. Yeah, it is focusing. You all can see 45 Con Panna. Alright, now what all shades and everything are available. I'll just let you know everything. The manufacturing date is over here, it's given June 2019. It's very small. I doubt whether you all be able to see, but the expiry is, I think, September 2022. Okay, everything is written over here. The net quantity of this particular concealer is 8.4 ml. I'm not sure whether it is visible. It is given over here, 8.4 ml. I'll just try to give you idea, but it is very teeny tiny, so I doubt whether you'll be able to see or no, because the camera is also not focusing. Okay, but that's okay. You all can definitely find all these details on Sugar's website. See, I'm just getting everything very close, but I don't think this, it's very tiny. Sugar is a cruelty free brand, so you all can definitely try Sugar. It's an Indian cosmetic brand. Alright, yeah, it is focusing but not very clear, and let it be. You all can definitely check this out, the all details and everything. Now if you want, I can just tell you right now all the shades and everything. They have total 6 shades in this concealer. First, say that is 07 Vanilla Latte. It is suitable for it is a fair shade with golden undertone. The second one is shade number 12 Con Leche. That is a light shade with golden undertone. The shade number 3 is 15 Cappuccino. It is a light shade with cool undertone. The shade number 4 is 30 Chocochino. It is a medium shade with warm undertone. Shade number 40, that is the 5th one, is Breve, is a medium beige shade with warm undertone. And shade number 45, which I got, is shade number 45. That is the darkest shade in Sugar's concealer range. Shade number 45 is a medium beige shade with golden undertone. Okay, now if you all ask me, my MAC reference is MAC NC 43.5. Yes, I fall in little dark category. Of course, I am not the darkest, but of course, I am not the fairest also. So this all basically shades are available. You all can find this information on Sugar's website as well. Now the benefits and like additional, if you all want to know, everything is given. Net volume is, as I told you, 8.4 ml. The MRP is 799 rupees. This is made in Korea product. Okay, and Sugar Cosmetics, it is like I got this from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is made in Korea product. So I think basic details I've given. Okay, now this comes in this kind of cardboard packaging, usual Sugar box. Lady is like printed over here, Sugar emblem is given, and shade number is given over here, shade number 45. Okay, when we open this, it comes with this kind of a tube. Okay, plus there is a sticker on this particular tube, that is shade number 45 Con Panna. I have the same shade in the stick foundation as well, so I went for this same shade in the liquid concealer as well. Over here they have given everything. You can see Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer, shade number 45, made in Korea. Everything is given over here, but besides here, it's not written here as well as it's not written here. That is on the top and the bottom, it's not mentioned. Only on the tube over here it's mentioned. It is a plastic tube, transparent tube with a black matte packaging. Okay, I'll just open. I have not yet used because I wanted to make this video for you, and I wanted to, you can say, unbox it with you people. So I have not yet opened it. I'll just see. I've just opened it for you. Okay, of course I'll give you a review also after. If you want to see what all like how it applies and all, you can just let me know. I'll make a separate video on that. I'll just show you the swatch of this. See, this is the swatch of this concealer. It is a very good concealer. Suppose if you want to go for no foundation day, Like if you want to just have a day where you don't want to apply any makeup or anything, you all can apply this kind of concealer. It's very good coverage concealer, because you can see it covers all my blemishes and everything on my hand. So it is a very good concealer, and 799 rupees, it's not bad. Of course it's a little bit higher on this price point, but on this Sugar's website, if you check, I have already shared my 2 hauls of Sugar Cosmetics. In that particular 2 hauls, only one of the haul I have ordered this concealer. So in that also I have specified that Sugar do run very exciting offers, like you can get 3 products in 1299, or else you order for 1099, you get 4 mini lipstick and a clutch free. Right now they have that offer. Right now means when I'm making this video, they have the offer. Definitely you all can find Sugar's, you can check Sugar's website or else Sugar's app. They do run very good and exciting offers during the whole year. It's not that key during the sale time they have nice offers. The whole year they do keep on coming with some exciting offers and everything. And Sugar's return policy and everything is very good, excellent. I have not faced any problem till now. So definitely you all can check that also. And I'm a frequent buyer, because I like to buy all the Sugar's products from their own website, because there I get more exciting offers. So I buy directly from their website. So it's your wish. If you get this product on some other site, so definitely you can buy. Sugar is available on Nykaa. It is available on Flipkart. I'm not sure of Flipkart, but definitely it's available on Purple. Myntra I'm not sure, and Flipkart I'm not sure, but definitely you can find, of course, in Amazon. But I definitely buy this Sugar products either from Sugar's website or else from Nykaa. I just do trust these 2 websites. Of course, even Purple is very good website. I'm not saying it's not good. Definitely even Purple do have some exciting offers. So you all can check even Purple also. But I got this special product. I got this product directly from Sugar's website. If you all want to see, I can show you the box as well. See, I got this from Sugar's website. Alright, because I've already shared my haul with you. It will be either up before this video or maybe after this video. But I got this directly from their website. 799 is the MRP. Do find this product on the offers as well. Check out the offers before ordering. So you'll get this at the best rate. That is all for this video. I hope you'll like this video. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then don't hide your feelings. Please subscribe my channel. Right now on the end screen also you all can find some more exciting videos on my channel. You all can click any of the videos, or else visit my channel for more exciting videos. I have separate playlist for everything. I have clothing haul playlist, I have makeup review playlist, I also have accessories and bags haul, plus shoe hauls. Everything, different playlists are given on my channel. Just go through that particular any of the playlist, just watch any of the videos. You will get entertainment and you will get to know lot of things. As well as if you want to ask me anything, definitely ask me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to reply you. And the third thing, I have a giveaway planning video. That is, I have a giveaway planning right now up on my channel for this channel. So definitely do participate in that. Watch that video. It will be linked on the end screen on your left hand side top corner. It will be linked there. Just watch that video fully and do participate in that. Please fulfill all the conditions. I'm not on Instagram, so I'm not telling you to follow me on Instagram, but definitely follow me on YouTube regularly. It should not be like you watch my 3-4 videos, you comment on that 3-4 videos and then you stop commenting. Then no, it is not that way. Plus your subscription should be public. So that's it. There are only 2 conditions, and which is very easy to fulfill. So, and you all suggest me the products as well. Which all kind of products would you like from my side in giveaway goodies? So just suggest me whatever my budget permits and whatever suits my budget. In fact, I definitely try to do giveaway that kind of. Alright, now that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.